From the quietest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to SmokeyGoodness 2.0, YouTube's Kamado loving barbecue and grilling channel. That's right, it's a nice day. It's actually kind of hot, and we don't mind. Hey, listen, for about a week, I've been over on Facebook. I've been kind of teasing a video that we were going to make today. There's a problem. Here's the problem. That's the problem. Look at that. That is mold. A lot of it. And I can't really see what I'm doing. The sun is reflecting off of everything out here. But before we begin with what I had planned for today, which is a Barbecue Pit Boys Kansas City steak rub video, we've got to do something about the mold on here. It's a very easy fix, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Right, we have a mixture of some unburnt charcoal briquettes, and we've got some lump charcoal. Got a couple of tumbleweeds here. We're just going to put them in here. We're going to fire them up. Fire it up, let it burn. Yes, sir. Man, that's disgusting. But it won't be for long. I am going to let the charcoal do its thing. We're going to come up to a temperature, try to get to a temperature of about 550 degrees to 600 degrees. That'll kill any pathogens or any other kind of wee beasties, mold, mildew, all of it's gone. After that, let it cool down for a little while and take a paper towel and swipe everything out of there, man. Easy peasy, but I am definitely not going to cook anything out here with the mold in there. It's just not going to happen, so stick with us. We'll be back. Bottom vent wide open. Top vent as wide as I can get it. And we will continue as soon as this charcoal catches all the way around. Like I mentioned, we're going to go for about 550 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to let that go about an hour. I will check it after that, and if it's to my liking, I just might let it go another half an hour after that. We want a clean Kamado. I've also got some grates, need attention. Look at that, the sun is starting to sink just a little bit. I can actually see my monitor here. And yeah, we're coming up to pretty high heat going on right now, so I'm going to close the lid and we're just going to let it burn and do its thing for as long as it takes. And I'm guessing it won't take long. We'll be back. Okay, about 15-20 minutes has gone by. You may have noticed right here that I have a no big deal butter knife. The reason for that is that I want to get some of that heat coming through these felt, what do they call them? Felt, whatever, the felt that's around the grill dome. All that nasty badness isn't getting burned off, so open this up just a little bit and you're good to go. It'll come right back off, I guarantee. The other reason I've got a butter knife in there is so that there's a little bit more airflow. And as you can tell, the temperature has risen from about, well, we were about 350 last time I hit record about 15 minutes ago. And we are climbing quickly up to 600. We're a little over 500 right now. Not all the coals have taken yet, but they will be in a minute. We're going to be right where we want to be. We're going to have a clean Kamado here in just about an hour. See ya. All right, about an hour has passed, and as you can tell, we are right up there in the 600 plus range. If it's a wee beastie in there, or mold or spores or anything like that, they have been demolished, burned right out of existence. There's nothing cooking in there. It's just, you know, it's just the wee beasties. It's the mold. It's the mildew. It's burning away. But will also be wiped away here in a little while, as soon as this cools off. I think I might be putting the grates in as well. Get them heated up. They don't really need it. The deflector plate absolutely does not need it, so I'm not going to be doing that. We don't want to crack it, you know. Anyway, stick with us. All right, it's been about an hour, and I can't stress this enough. Be very, very careful with this part of the procedure, and I mean real careful. I'm going to take this knife out of here. It is not hot. Well, by the way, if you're going to do this, make sure you've got these. You want gloves that will protect you and everything. All right, here we go. Woohoo! That is hot, but it is clean. And there you go, a clean Kamado. You don't have to throw anything away. You don't have to replace all the ceramics in there. Just give it a good hot air bath, and you'll be fine. You'll be good to go, like I said. So thanks for watching. We're going to get on tomorrow, hopefully, with the Barbecue Pit Boys Kansas City rub. And since we did that in the house a couple of nights ago, I mean, the whole house had this aroma of that rub, because we seared those 3 steaks in a cast iron pan. Oh my God, it smells great. But anyway, that's for tomorrow. See ya. Thanks for watching. Salutations. Goodbye. Toodaloo. Au revoir. A tout à l'heure. Till we meet again. Good old times not be forgotten, etc., etc., etc. See ya.